have the head of the Congress legal cell, Mr. K.C. Mittal, here with us. Mr. Mittal, what is going to be the basic procedure once the people who have been summoned are going to come to court? What will follow next over the next 5 to 10 minutes?
No, primarily it's a matter for appearance. So appearance takes place in the court. Then it depends whatever the court orders. In accordance with law, whatever the court orders is, it will be complied with.
And will the people summoned be furnishing a bail bond?
No, that would depend. Not necessarily. Supposing if the court prefers to order for personal bond, then there is no need of a bail. But although that will depend on the order of the court.
Merits of the case, speaking about that, Mr. Subramaniam Swamy is quite clear that Mrs. Sonia Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi are going to be in jail very soon, just based on the merits of the case.
I don't know to talk about Subramaniam Swamy because he presents totally a malicious and mischievous story, I can tell you.
But then you have had scathing words spoken by the High Court as well and the Metropolitan.
No, you are mistaken. When you are talking, I am talking about Swamy, not the court. The court has taken a different view. It's all right on whatever grounds. That's a matter yet to be gone into. Please don't take court with what Subramaniam Swamy has said. Subramaniam Swamy is not court. I am answering what you said about Subramaniam Swamy. Let me tell you.
But what about the court's observation?
No, those are only initial aspects for purposes of appearance. The matter has yet to go. The trial has to take place. The evidence has to come before charge. There is not even a charge framed so far. So what are we talking?
And of all the people who were asked to appear, Mr. Sam Pitroda is not going to be here?
I don't know. I have no idea about it.
All right. So
let me tell you one thing. You see, is there any violation of Representation of People's Act? Is there any violation of the election law? As the Election Commission has said, any violation? Is there any violation of Income Tax Act? Is there any violation of company law?
Well, in fact, violations have been committed in getting Congress funds into what is a private business enterprise.
Who says private business? I don't know why media is presenting all that. Who talks about? Where is the private business? Has anybody taken a penny? Is there any private? What is private business being done?
There are properties worth 2,000 crores.
Property belongs to AGL. It's a property of the National Herald.
But it's being used for commercial purposes.
No. Who says commercial purposes? The company law is different. We have to understand the intricacies of law rather than presenting a wrong picture. That's unfortunately what's going on for no reason.